Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to create kind of like a basic workflow to send later, for instance, someone make a payment in your later for yeah, someone make a payment in your form. So now you want to send to create a kind of like a workflow that is gonna send the contact owner or the sales rep to send them the message that one of your customer that you're handling did make the payment, and then after that, so that they can be able to know and then to move to the next step. So, for instance, here we have so you create a workflow, and then we're gonna click manual trigger. We're gonna look for payment, and then after that, we're going to put our trigger. So now, as you can see, where there is different kind of trigger that you can use here. So we're gonna use this one. So here we have payment. So we're looking for status. So status is for us to know if the payment was succeeded. So succeeded, and then we move to the next one. So the next one is just to create to send an email, send internal email to the sales rep, so you can send to the user, to the owner, after that to the owner directly. Like payment, for instance, like payment has been made. So this is to inform you. This is to inform you that one of your customer managing just made payment. So yeah, and then after that, okay, so you have this one here, and then you have to send also the message to the email as well to the client. So there you're gonna create an email. So once you create the email, then you can also send the email to the client there. So there you have to have an email, and then to do associations there. So, and then after that, here we have here what you're gonna do now there is to create a task for the contact owner. Create record, create task. So next step. Okay, so or you can just call it maybe next step or onboarding next step. So please get in touch with the client for more for next for onboarding next step. Yeah, so that's it. So here you can, there is a lot of, like, in 3 days you can say immediately the message, and then you can put custom date if you want. You don't want reminder. Yeah, and then if you want to put priority, you just can put a priority. So this is kind of like a quick way, basic way of doing it is. And if you want to add some other trigger, is you have this. You can connect it with line item. For instance, yeah. So there is a lot of things that you can do. You can do here. So whatever that you can do, for instance, you can do whatever you want here to. So this is like different kind of scenario that you can use, that you can concerning with the line items, and you can have different kind of criteria here. All right, so this is kind of like a quick basic way of sending the contact owner to notify them for about the payment, and also sending the client the note about the payment that we received the payment, and to create a task for the contact owner or the sales rep so that they can onboard the client. All right. Thank you so much. If you like this video, and then you can subscribe for more content. Thank you.